First aid. I just need bandages. Additions a lot, but Jesus Christ. Oh, there has been no food whatsoever. Pair the underwear. Ah, condition 10, 9. Condition is 9. What can I do? Nothing to do. I can't build a fire because I'm inside. 8. I can't do anything. I could sleep. That should help. I can burn my calories. 7. Oh, I went down to 7. Oh, I'm dead. Condition's gone up to 10. I'm not out of the danger zone, but bloody hell. Search that, yeah. There's no food in here, is there? I'm gonna have to move. Can't stay here. I'm already dead if I stay here. I'm dead if I move as well. This is gonna be a short episode. Oh, it's foggy. It's foggy. Need a house. If a wolf eats me, I'm gonna be munched. Let's go uphill. I don't want to go uphill, I want to go down. No, it's snowing and foggy and... no longer foggy, yay! I don't see any houses. I see some roadway. Oh, don't be cold. Which one will kill me first? Food? Cold? Or wolf? I'm sure there's a fourth one in there, but I'm not sure. Oh, yes! Can I make it down this? Sprint like a bitch, climb over. Climb.
I think this might be the end.
It's not over till the fat lady sings. Oh yes, flare. We're not dead yet, man. We're not dead. Insulated boots. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Anything there? The bed I can use to sleep a bit. Wood matches. Candy bar. Right. I'll eat this. I'll leave the thing till I get some actual heat it up a bit. Might be the wrong choice, but there's a few houses next door. It's 4 houses. Hopefully one of these have got a bloody... soda. Dog food. Next house. my calories are up to a good point. Toolbox. We need to repair something. Oh yeah. I should really put these clothes on. Right. Clothing. That's a lot better. Wear them. Wear them jeans because they're in better condition. Leave. Still think hiding in a little corner or something. Well, it's like I've got 2 more houses to go in. The 2 up one house. It's not exactly what I want, but yeah. Cold peaches. Scrap metal to repair something or other. Can opener. Oh yeah. Can open food now without wasting any. Oh. What sweater have I got on? Heavy wool. Right. Sleep a bit. I can sleep for 1 hour. Don't want any wood. Need to eat something. Need to ask what I need to use. Can opener, the best thing I've got. Right. Equipment. Clothes, aren't there? Harvest that. There's that. To improve, which one is it? Yeah, that one I'm wearing. Repair. Right. That's that. Wait, is there like a repair screen right now? Thirst is quite high. It's getting windy out. Hunger and fatigue is should be free. Hopefully they move to the next house. Let's go. 1 day and 23 hours. 14% condition. A lot more rest. I can't do it here. Holy cow, my colour's dropping like bricks again. I'm freezing in a bit. Oh, run, keep running, just keep running. No way. Power cables, leave me to safety. No, I believe it's safe, we don't keep going. The car! I have something in it. Gotta stay inside and just keep warm. Oh, hell yeah! Waste my time. God, the atmosphere. Oh. Don't be a dead end. The dead end. Ah, hell. I don't even know where I'm going, I'm just taking a guess. There's some islands out here I've been to before. Wait guys, oh thank you! Oh. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. I was saying weak ice.
Hope nobody needs this anymore.
Everyone seems to be dead, no one needs it anymore. Already opened that one. Barely see a thing from the fog. Yeah. Oh. He bites me, I'm dead. I'm dead! One day and 22 hours and 60 minutes. I'll do this again.